Good morning, class. Today we will be learning about the pelvic girdle. The pelvic girdle is found by two coaxial bones commonly called the hips. Alright, so this forms the hip region. Each hip bone is found by the fusion of three bones, that is ilium, pubis and ischium. So the hip bone is found by the fusion of ilium, ischium and pubis. The two halves of the pelvic. Alright? So two halves over here. The two halves of the pelvic girdle meets ventrally to form this portion. Alright? So ventrally to meet, it meets over here, known as pubic symphysis. Alright, this portion is known as pubic symphysis. One side, alright, this side, and you have the other side. Alright, so on each side, it bears a large cup shape, like a cup shaped articular cavity known as acetabulum, into which the femur fits to it, or the thigh bone fits to it. Over here also you have that cup shaped. Alright, over here the main function of this is to fit the thigh bone or the femur. The bone of the pelvic girdle are large and heavy. They are heavier because it supports the whole body, and which are attached securely to the axial skeleton. So the main function of this pelvic girdle is to protect the reproductive organs over here, urinary bladder and parts of the large intestine. So the main function of this is to protection of the internal organs. It also helps to transfer weights, transfer body weights to legs. And interesting thing in this is the pelvic girdle of female is shallower, while with lighter and thinner bones than that of males. Alright, so this is all about the pelvic girdle. It is formed by the combination of very important bone, that is ilium, ischium, pubis. You have acetabulum over here that fits the thigh bone. The main function of this is to protection of all the internal organs, and it also helps to transfers bodies weight to legs. Alright, so this is all about the pelvic girdle.